Artificial intelligence AI trending a lot in today's world. Because if you see, all the companies have started using the artificial intelligence in their product implementation. Because of that, they're looking for lots of developers, those who are familiar with these kinds of technology. So inside artificial intelligence, we are having various kinds of sector like machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, generative AI, MLOps, and so on. So nowadays, if you want to crack any kinds of job, you have to familiar with these are the technology. And if you want to learn these are the technology, the first thing you have to learn the programming language. But there are thousands of programming languages are available. Which one you have to choose? If you want to start your career with the artificial intelligence, generative AI, machine learning, deep learning, and so on, you have to choose one specific programming language called Python programming language. Because Python is an open source and very popular programming language in the field of artificial intelligence. And whenever you are working as a developer in a company, you have to implement end-to-end projects with these kinds of technology. To implement these kinds of end-to-end projects, you should know advanced programming concept and modular design. So if you don't know about programming and if you want to start your career with the programming and if you want to learn how to implement these kinds of end-to-end projects in the industry, I'm happy to announce that I'm coming up with the complete Python course for you. So here we'll be covering basics to advanced of the Python. Here we'll be learning each and everything you need to master the Python. Like here we'll be starting from the very basics and we'll try to complete till advanced part of the programming so that you can also master the modular coding. So this skill will help you a lot whenever you will be implementing any kinds of end-to-end product. And after completing this particular course, you can be a data scientist, you can be a generative engineer, you can be a MLOps engineer, anywhere you can switch your career. So in this course, you will get more than 100 plus recording, covered all the Python concept. Even you will also get so many mega projects to practice. So whether you are a beginner and you want to start your career with the programming, this course is for you. So I'm very much excited for this course, guys. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link below and enroll for the course.